हाय एवरीवन तो आज सकाळे मु किछिटा जिनस ऑर्डर करथिली तो सेटा एबे संध्या बेले डिलीवर हेची Amazon रु तो मु एक्चुअली ऑर्डर करथिली सन क्रीम बिकॉज माने एबे स्टार्ट हे गलानी समर धीरे धीरे समर बढ़ी बढ़ी जीवो तो सेइथपई मु स्पेशली सन क्रीम मगेइथली आउ आउ बोधे आसथिबो एबे गोटे छोट वार्डरोब टे मगेइथली पुअर एमती बुक्स आउ पेंसिल सब रखिया पे आउ एठी वार्डरोब एक्चुअली जेमती इंडिया रे वार्डरोब का पूरा थाए बड़ बड़ एठी एते नाही अछि बेडरूम रे बट एमती छोटटे गोटे दरकार थिला पुअर बही फही रखिया पे तो सेट पे मटा मगेइची देखिबा कोन केमती आछी तो एटा आछी वार्डरोब टा न्यू वार्डरोब और एटा को बनेबा को पड़िबो निजे एटा सील्ड अछि बट हाँ मु वंस बनै साला परे एटार गोटे वीडियो देबी ओके आउ तो से सनक्रीम आउ हाँ आउ मॉइस्चराइजर भी मगेइथली छुआ पे तो सेटा आछि नमस्कार समस्तंगु तो काली बहुत लेट हे जाइतला तो मु ए जो छोटो मिनी वार्डरोब टा आनथिली सेटा बनै पानथिली डिनर थिला काली करिवार सब थिला काम तो कर पानथिली तो सेपे आज बनेबा एटा को ओ मो पुओ भी आसी गलानी गुड मॉर्निंग
Good morning and hello.
Okay.
I can help you build something out of this.
Oh, I need your help. I don't know how to make it.
Okay. So I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Are we making a book?
Instruction manual. Can you read it out?
Note on shipping. It's normal for the bottom snap to detach during long distance shipping. Don't worry, this can be easily fixed.
Okay.
Oh, it's a mini bag.
Okay. Marvin, sit here. So how to fix? So এটা কেমতে বনেবা?
Wait. Are you sure this is what you're supposed to do? This doesn't look like a bookshelf. But wait.
Can you get your scissor?
Okay, Mama. But then you have to let me keep it at the end, okay?
Yeah. Go and get it. It actually चारिटा रैक वाला तो मते जहा लागुची माने दीदीटा करी की भी बनै हबो थाको
I got the scissors.
Okay, close the door please.
But they say never walk with the scissors in your hand.
Give it here.
So,
Thanks for getting scissor.
You're welcome. That was a bit loud, but no worries. Because I know how to do this. Oh, I'm so strong.
Yeah, you do it. And then I will.
Okay, so this is not a bookshelf. It looks like more of a toy shelf.
I will join you. No. Keep the garbage here.
Oh, okay. I was going to do that, but Mama, here's a problem. doesn't look like a bookshelf, okay? So uniforms you won't throw that away. Please.
No, I have so many cardboard boxes for you.
Okay, that makes sense. Oh my god, how am I lifting? Oops, sorry for touching. I mean, this
First.
Why would you tell us to do this thing for me? Because I accidentally touched your foot. Wait, uniforms you won't use all of them? Because I think I need some of these plastics. You see that these plastics are see-through, right?
Look!
Oh, definitely do not throw this away.
No.
Okay. How's it going? How's it going?
The first ଚକ ଗୁଡା ଲଗେଇବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ଏବେ ଚକ ଲାଗିଗଲା ତ second step ରେ
Yeah, but can you have me tail this? I can't tail it.
why you need that?
It's because I want to make a cool window through the other cardboard box.
Okay, use the scissors.
Is this my left hand?
This is right hand scissor. You get your left hand scissor.
Why? Because it's stronger?
No, because you are lefty.
Fine. I'll go with my left
And then ଆମେ ଏଇଟା ଉଠେଇବା। Actually ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିନି first time କରୁଛି। ଏଇଟା ତ at least ମାନେ ଟିକେ better ଅଛି ତ ଜଲ୍ଦି ହେଇଯିବ। ଗୁଡା ଲାଗିଗଲା but ଏଇ ସାଇଡ୍ ଟା ଲାଗୁନି ତ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ବନିଗଲା।
Oh!
Right.
See, I told you I'm smart. Mom.
I know.
Oh! Oh my god. Let's put the rest in here. This is going to be my new cutting. Whoa! How did you build that so fast? Can I help you?
Can you put it above it?
Now wait, I think I saw this in one type of film.
Okay.
Oh, that's what you want me to do.
Do this to do.
This
Pencil. Kepe.
Wait, I can put this on top of this.
Wait. Let me. Wait, can you come here? Sit. এটা ବାହାରି ଆସୁଛି ବାରବାର। ଭଲସେ ସବୁ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ। ମୋର ଯେତିକି ଶକ୍ତି ଅଛି ସବୁ ପୁରା ଟ୍ରାଏ କରୁଛି।
Okay, so do you have any big boxes?
Yeah.
Why?
ମୋ ପୁଅର ମୁଁ ମିଶିକି ସେତେବେଳେ ବନଉଛୁ। Thank you, Marvin, for helping me.
Did you unpause? So now can I play with the bubble wrapper?
Yeah. Try କରୁଛୁ ହବା ପାଇଁ। I think ଏବେ ହେଇଯାଇପାରେ। Oh, finally.
Finally, we did it. All thanks to you.
Thank you, Marvin, for helping me.
You're welcome.
Finally, ଆମେ ଏଟା ବନେଇ ଦେଇ ପାରିଲୁ। ମୋ ପୁଅର ମୋର ମିଶିକି ଏଠି ଆଉ ଥରେ ଦେଖେଇ ବି ଦଉଛି। ଏଠି ଏଟା 4 ଥାକ ବାଲା ଅଛି। ଆଉ ଏଠି ଚକ ବି ଲାଗିଛି ତ ଇଜିଲି ମୁଭ୍ ବି ହେଇଯିବ।
It's the size of my body.
Yeah. ଆଉ ଏଠି ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଛୋଟ
Oh, it can open up.
ଲେଦର ର ଗୋଟେ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡେଲ ବି ଅଛି ତ ଏଠି ଓପନ କରିକି ଜିନିଷ ରଖିବା ପାଇଁ।
That can open up.
ତ
And the bottom can open up.
ତ ଲାଗୁଛି ଯେ ଏଟା ଏବେ ଭଲ ୟୁଜ ରେ ଆସିବ। ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି ରହିଲି ଏଠି ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଭିडियो ଏଇଠି ଏଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି। ତ ଏବେ ଯାଉଛି ଏଟା ପୁଣି ୟା ଭିତରେ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ପତ୍ର ସବୁ ସଜେଇକି ରଖିବାର ଅଛି।
Mama.
ତ ଏବେ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ରହୁଛି। ହଁ ତୁ କଣ କହୁଛୁ?
Okay, so can we add maybe decorations inside?
Okay. So say bye.
Bye, and see you next time.